What himself? Are the youngest lad. Johnny. Them can't stand with vendetta. The struggle only make you better. Them right we off like a letter, but we still a trendsetter. The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies turn me in a somebody who me love. Push me another time, never sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you good and
my phone screen cracked, like there's a big crack all over my phone. I don't Ooh, I just stepped in the water. What the fuck? Went to the wall of my shoes. You know when you underestimate the jump, we just underestimate a jump. I went up the wall of my shoes there. The wall of my foot went up. What's up guys? It's Wednesday. Good morning. I'm heading to work. The sun is out today. It wasn't out yesterday. I don't like vlogging when the sun is not out because the clips are usually dark. Even though this one is probably gonna be dark because the lens is hitting the light. And I know that already. It's another Wednesday. 2 more days till the weekend. Just checking in. I think I'm gonna start using my camera to vlog because it's better quality. But the thing is this with that camera, it's so heavy to like hold like this, because if I'm gonna vlog I'm gonna have to hold it like this, and it's so heavy. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. And I'm not buying another camera. Somebody was saying that the G7X is the perfect camera to vlog with because it's so small, it light, but when I spend $500 or $600 on no camera, unless I go put the other camera on sale, because I'm sure somebody would want to buy that camera, or maybe not, because it's a good camera to like, because the lens is big, so it's a good camera to do like, you know, sit down videos and shit like that. It's not like I'm a YouTuber making money, so I don't see why the hell I should go spend $700 on a camera. It is 8:55 right now, so I still have 5 minutes. I'm gonna cut off on the other block and walk slow instead of walking all the way down to the park. You lost something? Fuck you, look on. Yo, niggas irritating. What are you looking at? Technology, people video call these days and stuff like that. Why the fuck are you staring? But yeah. You guys like my hair? I did it. It looks so nice. Yeah, so that's just it. I'll talk to you guys later after I leave work. But yeah. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later in the next clip. So yeah, bye for now. Good morning guys. I'm super duper excited because it's Friday, so it's the weekend and I get to sleep in late tomorrow, so that is exciting. Anyways, I'm early, so yeah, I have to burn some time. You see me? Last night I made a video on my Instagram talking about kids without uniform and how you easily get tricked because I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's the food or what, but these kids these days, you know what? Let me talk to you guys when I reach the park, because no, the sun is gonna hit the lens, see? And this clip is gonna be dark, and I don't want it to be dark, so I'm gonna soon talk to them. Hold on. Look at my hair, like, well, no, the breeze I blow it out every time I fix it. So yeah, so yesterday, right? Well, last night I did this video on Instagram and I was talking about the kids them in America how they don't wear school uniform, but the fact say them so big. The thing is this, if me are 30 years old, me expect to look like an adult. Well, no, that come out wrong. No, that's not what I mean. Me want to stay young forever. But the thing is this, the way how them kids here big these days, them look like me. Me are 30, this is what I was trying to explain. Me are 30, and you look at a 20-year-old these days, even on the internet sometimes you see some of them young girl here, and them say them in them 20s. Me have to wonder because we look the same way. How is that even possible? Like how? So that's why I say, I don't know if for the food, I don't know what, but if I see somebody and they look attractive, I'm going to look on them, and when them turn on, it's a school picnic, it just make me feel uncomfortable, and I know what man I go through. You get what I say? Because it happened to me. It happened to me yesterday. So yeah. Also, I was walking on my road yesterday and one man stopped me. But one time he never stopped me. I was walking and he was driving behind me or beside me. When you want to get rid of them, he asked me for my number. I don't know why I give this big fat ugly man my number. No shade, I'm not fat shame nobody. I'm gonna try to insult nobody looks or whatever. I gave this man my number, right? The man texts me. First of all, if you text me, I'm gonna respond. Why you constantly text? When we check my phone in the afternoon, I had 26 messages. Why do I have 26 messages? Why are you constantly texting me? Then you have the audacity to call me 10 o'clock at night. Nobody's supposed to call me 10 o'clock at night. Not even my mother call me 10 o'clock at night because by 10 o'clock in the night, I'm sleeping. I don't want nobody to call my phone no 10 o'clock at night expecting no conversation or anything to that nature, because my single for a reason, if you want to talk to me, you call me before 9. Yeah, you call me before 9. Anytime after 9, I'm not in a conversation with no man about nothing unless we're committed somewhat. So don't call me before 9 a.m. and don't call me after 9 p.m. in the night. Yeah, so that's my new rule for my life right now, because someone wanna really out of control. I don't feel like say somebody desperate. I'm not desperate. But yeah, like I said in my last clip, it's Friday. I'm early, I'm in the park. When you hear the music playing in the background, is the Chinese people, them doing them yoga. And I'm sitting here, I don't really have I don't have space from them, see? I'm right in front of them, so I'm not gonna hear the music. But yeah, check out the swag for today. Hope you can see. And I have my bag over there. I'm a mint tea there in this. I want my fire pack of Oreo. Because after me have a sweet tooth. After me eat my lunch, I want something sweet. So yeah, checking in. It's Friday, and I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Peace, bye. I was also thinking, guys, do you guys think I should get a nose piercing? I mean, I'm a little bit too old to be getting piercings. I don't know, I feel like getting a piercing. I have a piercing, a hole here in my face, and the reason why I take out my tongue ring, my lip ring, is because I feel like when people see holes in your face, they don't take it serious. So that's why I'm gonna take them out. But I feel like some want get a nose ring. I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm contemplating the idea. Maybe I'm gonna get a fake one first, and then I'll see how I feel about it. If I like it, then I'll get the real thing. But yeah, may I ask you now. Comment down below and let me know if I should or I shouldn't, because I think it would be cute. One thing though, if I don't pierce my nose, maybe I pierce up one of my nipple them. I don't know. I'm just a toy with the idea. I just want to do something. I've been feeling myself of lately, so maybe that's why too. Hold on, I'm across the street. Been feeling myself of lately. so probably that's why I have this feeling. But it's nothing. Yeah, I'm allowed to feel myself, because sometimes I'm not feeling myself. So when I am feeling myself, I don't think it should be a problem. But I want to get a piercing though. I have all these piercings, but I'm gonna take out all of these rings. I think I could probably go back and buy my navel ring back. Yeah, I'm gonna go back and buy one, because the hole is still there. I have the piercing there from me in a high school to us. But yeah, I'm here, guys. That was just a thought, random thought. So I guess I'll check in later, don't it? Bye. Hello guys, so Welcome back to my vlog. It is Saturday morning. I woke up early this morning and I decided that I was gonna shoot a video which I just finished shooting. So I think it's gonna be up before this video. I'm gonna post it because it's a long time I don't do like a sit down video talking about makeup and shit. So I did a video about that. So if you do watch it, go watch it. I'm gonna leave it up here so or you can just click on something up here so and then it's gonna list all of the video that mommy suggest that when I watch. So go watch that video and thumbs it up because I woke up early and it's Saturday. I never wake up early. I don't do shit on Saturday. I'm a Sabbath. Lie, I'm not. But go watch the video because I wake up early on a Saturday. Saturday is my day off and yeah, just go watch it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope it was kind of entertaining. Not much about going this week, so I'm just gonna wrap it up right here. So and I'm just gonna leave you guys with some words of encouragement, which are like, be true to yourself, and you're going to make mistakes, but forgive yourself. And there are gonna be people who are going to judge you, and you have to be strong enough to take criticisms. You know, just know that if they're criticizing you from an honest place or through love, then that's a good thing. But we're not talking about the criticisms from haters because, you know, those are pointless. I'm talking about real, true, genuine critique, right? If you're really fucking with somebody and they're telling you the truth about yourself, then take it into consideration, but don't take it personal and just do the work by yourself because, you know what? A lot of us are good at judging people, but we're not good at looking in the mirror and recognizing what we stand for and doing what we actually say that we stand for. So it takes a strong person to do that. However, like I said, just love yourself and just be kind to yourself and choose you first over everything. No matter what people say, they always tell us, oh, love yourself, but then they're saying that they use word like, oh, cocky or narcissistic. Like, love yourself as much as you feel like you're supposed to love yourself. The world is full of contradictions. These quotes and these things were made up by men just like you and I, you know. So just recognize your own path and just go with that. You get me? And don't be afraid to choose the best for yourself. Don't be afraid to say no without feeling like you hurt somebody's feelings or anything. Yeah, and just recognize the beauty within you and just know that you're dope as fuck. Yeah? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and it's your girl Chin. Oh, I'm doing a mini rock. Asa? Can't dance for save my life. Can't shake my ass though. I can't see it. Wait, let me see if I can show my ass right now. Anyways, well done guys. See you in the next one. Bye.